It was a red flag warning day that lived up to its name. Very windy and very dry is a terrible combination in wildfire season. Close to 100 acres of parched and brittle New Jersey pine barrens were set ablaze on Sunday. The flames and smoke, which could be seen for miles, threatened hundreds of homes and businesses that had to be evacuated as a precaution.
So about 1:30 this afternoon, we had a call for a small brush fire in the area, Airport Road. That fire subsequently extended to two structures on Airport Road, two office buildings. All large fires start out as small fires.
The cause of the forest fire isn't known. The flames caused massive traffic tie-ups and shut down the Garden State Parkway in both directions from Toms River to Brick Township. Helicopters and firefighting equipment from neighboring communities were called in to try to stop the flames from spreading.
It started as a wildfire in the forest, and the wildfire grew quickly due to the windy conditions and the low humidities. So under these conditions in areas like here, we're in the New Jersey Pine Barrens, the vegetation's fire adapted. It's very volatile, and under the right conditions, a small fire can get very large very quickly.
The peak wildfire season is from March to May, with no foliage on the trees and little rain in the forecast. Officials worried this is just the beginning of many fierce forest fires, and they are asking for the public to help them out.
A carelessly dropped cigarette in mulch under these conditions can start a large fire.
Right now is no matches, no cigarettes, no outdoor fires.
And fire officials are hoping that by Monday at 5 p.m., the red flag warning will be lifted because the winds will die down, making their job fighting this fire so much easier. We're in Lakewood, New Jersey. MAGEE, HICKEY, PIX 11 News.